Hey, welcome back. Valve decided to release today a new battle pass in Dota 2, which is basically like an operation in CSGO. There is new game modes, new skins, and of course people are gonna spend a lot of money on this stuff. You know, I'm actually curious if you can profit by buying this pass, because in CSGO you obviously can, and I know that in previous years you barely could profit in Dota 2, so I'm gonna have to buy one and figure that one out, but that's for another video. Of course, I'm filming this video because a lot of Dota 2 items have fallen in price quite miserably. For example, this item fell from 2.2 euros to 1 euro. That heavy of a fall. And there is actually an explanation behind it. This item right here is for the exact same hero. And here is another example right here. This item usually goes for 120 euros and boom, it fell to 50 euros today, just in the span of a few hours. And the explanation is about the same. Valve just released the exact same skin, just a little bit changed. But then there is this kind of items whose heroes didn't get new skins. They fell in price just because people wanna buy the pass. And obviously that means the Hollow Chest of the Dark Tide fell as well. It fell down to 16 cents from 20 cents, which is quite a big percentage. Similarly, the items inside the chest also fell down in price. This one went from 35 to about 30. But then there are some like this one which didn't fall at all, but that doesn't mean that it won't fall tomorrow. So it's probably better to sell them right now. Obviously, the Dota 2 market took a pretty big hit and there is a lot of opportunities created to invest, but I really think that if you're not accustomed with Dota 2, then you should stay away because there is so many nuances. Like, let's say you buy this item right here, which I showed that fell twice in price from the 120 euros mark. There is no guarantee that it's gonna go back up in price, even though throughout history it never dipped below 80 euros. If you're not looking to invest but instead you're flipping, then you should just wait a couple of days, maybe 5 to 10 days, and then continue flipping again. The items that you have right now, you should try to sell them to break even. If you can't, you might have to sell for a loss. But that's just a part of flipping. The profit that you get, that's a reward for your risk, because every time you buy an item, you are risking. Obviously, a good flipper is only going to buy safe items, but sometimes even safe items on the community market are not as safe as you want them to be, especially when there is a big update like this. Also, I should mention that Dota 2 wants to release another battle pass this year, which is unprecedented, and you have seen what the first pass cost. Imagine the second one coming onto the market, so if you invest right now, you might regret it during the second battle pass. So yeah, just be cautious. But actually, it's not as bad as I'm portraying it. It's just that Dota 2 hasn't had a battle pass in an unusual long time. Players have gotten hungry for it, so that's why prices are going down as much. I'm actually surprised that CSGO cases are not falling in price as well, because Dota 2 players typically also play CSGO, because you can basically get free money. So that's really good for our CSGO economy. But that is pretty much all I had to say. Smash the like button if you want to help me reach more people in the YouTube algorithm, and have a nice rest of the day. Bye bye.